and you can ask an ordinary person, because when TJ or Ramesh comes on live, I can see like they have probably 2,000, 3,000.
Yeah.
Word Dog people come on live. That's some of the numbers, and there are very influential people who are popular.
So people are going to tune. Definitely,
exactly,
definitely.
And then no disrespect, he's a very good DJ because I listen to him and I always stay, because I'm not the person to come out to the. I never come to the front.
Sasha, a lot of people busy Sasha.
No, but it's brother.
But the
it's,
truth, though,
is what I'm seeing, and some people are afraid to say
it's
it.
The truth.
Because you might fear your platform gets
It's
shown.
the truth.
You know, if you shun Upnlive, you can shun Rick because I don't care.
It's the truth though, because we've seen it. You can buy Instagram live views. It is, everybody know that.
So Rick, you can't tell everybody say they can vibe views now. Are you mash up a game now? You know? Me say, Rick mash up a game. So
I never said that.
Tomorrow,
You see, please
say,
state,
you mash up a game now? Because
state
tomorrow
I was the one that said it.
please
sir, not
say
No, but me
what
does I
I say
Una
properly.
say
I'm
people
glad this is on
so
record.
Rick, so Rick.
Yeah.
So like all me now, we have a little live and thing. When me can go buy some numbers.
Ask the persons who are doing
Listen,
it.
Sasha made a very, very good point. Sasha, big up yourself for this, and I'm going to read the comment. She says, this is why I say numbers do lie. Don't kill out on yourself for compete with deception. A true. Stay in a own lane, put in the work, and your work will speak for you.
Of course.
But me I'm just curious, you know, like, say if tomorrow morning, you know, shell the live, because you don't know it go.
No, you can't.
You can't say shell the live because
I'm just saying, so if tomorrow morning I go bomb the live.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, buy a couple views. Are you one of the three people that...
Where can I go, Rasta, to buy some views?
Google.co.uk and type in how to buy Instagram views, and Google will tell you.
It is.
Google it. It will pop up.
I see.
It is.
Hit hard, go and pop up. Yeah. So yeah.
And I think the stage is open for King Glamour to officially inviting you.
No, he's been invited several occasions and he has not responded. So
okay, so they said it. So we
you
said
look like una have a for King Glamour.
No. He's welcome to come. He's welcome to forward.
King Glamour, me ain't good enough. Rick and Rasta.
No. Don't do that. Me and King, I don't have a problem with him. He's a very lovely guy. Yeah, mix up, you know.
It is done.
Yes, supplicant. You are mix up.
I hate when media house people pretend that everybody come out and say, oh, they are going to do a job and they're going to do this and they're going to... And you see the plain facts and you're not saying it.
Yeah.
And what are you trying to do? You're just trying to do it for clout?
But Rick,
if it's not everything you do or everything you say, people are going to agree with you.
Are going to agree with you, which is true.
That's
just life.
You have to be able to
stand it. The criticism and whatever forwards to you. Yeah, you're just...
So they're going to beat me back when you come.
I don't know. Now you alone get beat. My parents, them never beat me and nobody now beat me, no.
When I talk the truth, when you show me and say, Dragon...
No, we're not showing you.
Let me talk. Put up your hand on me and speak, yeah? Have manners.
Teacher.
Yeah. See, Rick, so you up.
Yeah.
So you say, how much time I come here and speak on the show me? You say, when you talk, me have to think about it, the other side. Because remember, it's always two sides to a story.
Okay.
Exactly.
So, I'm representing the unknown side.
Okay. Yeah.
So, what if you're lying? What you're saying is...
If I'm lying, I'm dying.
Utter garbage. What if it's utter rubbish what you're saying?
If it is garbage what I'm saying, and I didn't say anything, I've made a point and I've stated.
You made a point. So,
an observation.
So that's why I like how things are, because them say me and I was a cuss like cat and dog.
Yeah.
But it have to stay away there because remember you
have to have an opposition. Yeah. An opposition, yeah.
And a labor right and PhD, two good opposition over here, you know.
Exactly. But I mean, it is what it is. I mean, and even if that is the case, that is his decision, his prerogative. Yeah. But we're saying, I agree with Sasha, don't compete with deception. Just stay.
So I want to say Danny buy view too.
No. Danny bless views now. It's authentic. Me think them on the authentic.
Danny, you know.
No, I'm birthday. You can't shave after I'm birthday. You can't shave after I'm birthday.
It's not a shade or it's not.
But it's the truth. It's
facts. It is the truth. It just looks over.
It's too much.
It just looks too much, and it just don't feel. And you know what? To be honest, I used to watch before, and I used to enjoy.
I used to watch it.
Because I used to watch when artists them and them come there.
Me watch the show right through, and the show nice. Oh no, bother with it.
The show is nice.
The show nice. The show
But
listen.
Wait, no one is saying that the
You
show
have to
isn't
call
nice.
a spade a spade. You see, the entertainment value in that show is great. It's a great show to watch. All a vibe. As you say, you think some of the number don't reflect his status and the status of the comment and stuff. Well, you could be wrong because you know you could just be have some powerful people in your contact where you share your thing to some wider spaces.
exactly, that's true.
But anyway,
No, I stand
me
corrected.
to say that is not so Instagram work again. You can share to a limited amount of contacts.
Unless you know the people them
So-
name when you share it to. You can share it to 50 people at one time.
Yeah.
But you know, say the 50 people that are there, 50 and more, are usually the persons who you always share to.
Yeah.
Those are the most
So
frequent
so
names that
on
come up.
Instagram, basically what we can try to say on Instagram is kind of hard to all kind of
Target so many people.
to outshine your following, your followers, I should say. Like if you have 3,000 somebody that follow you, you know I'll get 8,000 I'll watch your live.
True.
It can,
God,
but it's unless
hard.
it's other people sharing
No,
your life.
no,
But
It's-
we're
it's
saying
very hard.
based on
Yeah.
how.
Based on how it is, because remember, if you have 3,000 people following you, you're gonna have at least 1,000 of them were inactive.
Yeah.
When a comment or look and not
No,
what you
not
do.
at all.
That's just how social media go because people are interested in different type of things.
Yeah.
You get what I say?
There's a couple pages on that I follow. I have about 500 pages that I follow. I've never commented. I just look at these pages for information.
Yeah.
Shade Borough, what's the next one in World Star. I've never liked a video there. I've never commented, but I follow them because I like their content and I
Right.
like to be informed.
So I don't like the people them content.
Because I don't want the people to see that I'm liking World
Why?
Star.
Wha-
business.
What kind of
why
content
is that?
is over there,
No,
sir?
because
Come
alright,
talk.
you have to understand.
I blues you over there watching.
I'm ready for ask him
Me ask
what kind of
Yeah,
content.
big man, I blues you up the power star.
Yeah, but listen.
But that per Instagram,
Nothing is wrong
that-
with listen.
no,
Nothing
hold
is
on.
wrong with
Nothing is watching blues, you know.
Nothing wrong with watching
But
blues, you
you
know.
not take that per Instagram, you go up on the private sanctuary at your home.
Oh, is that the method you?
And you take your
is that the
laptop
method
and
you
you
use?
and do your thing.
So like a professional, so like a pro.
Nah,
You
watch
talk
it
your
now.
business around by G.
Watch it now. If I even back my fist, you know, that's my business. You know.
Yeah, God.
Done.
Me rather
Free.
back my fist than rip, you know.
Cree. Me
Why you
about
do it,
Cree.
Jam
Cree,
Me tell you,
brother.
know.
Cree.
And if we not clear,
You
so
done
me
done.
back my fist, I don't know what you
You
me
done
take a elbow.
Anyways, wait. I stand corrected. The 1 year anniversary at Tanayad is next Thursday, the 29th, from
Next
8
Thursday.
till 11. So yeah, you can tune in there. But you have to understand, I think I'm a global DJ now.
Exactly. It
You
is
understand? Him
a
have people
global-
from all over the world.
And
Big up yourself, King
let's not to lie too much because I don't want people to think that we're on the
No.
program
We're
talking
no.
about that, but we're just stating a fact and what observation I actually say it's not a fact. So I will be stand corrected if someone can point me out and
say that it's
is the way. So,
authentic and genuine.
and I'm fair enough. So if I see a spade, I just call it out. Some things happen. This is what
We do.
we do,
Yeah.
and it's just part of our nature and
Yeah.
part of our
and
culture.
more of the people in the comment section help me think about this. Like some selectors and some artists is the last through the whole quarantine. We don't see nothing of them. Can I help us locate them?
Well,
Locate.
turn on the GPS.
Missing.
Who are the missing people?
Who are the missing people? Cause
Well, put
me
on
no want-
another
me no want-
alert.
me no want to put out no flyer and this nobody, but some of them missing.
Who missing?
Some DJ and some selector.
Okay, so we're gonna ask.
Actually,
people
me
to find
can't
them.
remember them. Me know me say Lizard, but me this Lizard on Facebook. I go on with the
No,
every
listen,
Sunday.
no, some of them missing right through
Who
lockdown.
else me not see God?
And
They
some artists.
might be dealing with other issues.
What kind of
guys.
issue? What kind of issue?
Listen.
You're not a work ago.
You don't know the people' personal life.
Who else me them? Archangel,
You
they
don't.
done that. Yeah. Who else over there now?
Me say who missing?
Whisper a little louder,
No,
my
me a
brother.
try. No, me know me a say
You
Archangel.
over
but me
you
say-
over there with
I him then sing a song for thinking out loud.
No, but me say Archangel, but me a try to remember them man.
Yeah.
Squidly active every Sunday. Big up
No,
Squidly.
not every Sunday. Every Sunday, every Friday, every Tuesday.
Yeah.
I'm a
Talk
general.
truth.
We forgot to- Watch
Talk
out!
truth.
We forgot to-
Because
Fire over here, you know. Yeah, do you?
the blue sun is represented.
Blue Sword.
Talk truth.
Where we go?
Right?
So who else down there? Sword. Andrew Busy. Andrew Busy.
Andrew
alright,
busy
true.
at Jamaica. I go on with
Alright, true.
himself.
Who else out down there forget fire? Gangsta Kid, where is Gangsta?
He
Gangsta
is busy
Kid.
with his business. We see Gangsta Kid on
Gangsta
live,
Kid.
No.
but he's
Gangsta
in
Kid on my
Jamaica.
yard.
Listen.
He's dealing with business.
Gangsta Kid.
He's not a DJ at the moment. He's an entrepreneur. So yeah. Sorry. May I drink my
Remember
drink?
about me little fire now?
All right, go on.
Gangsta Kid. me understand your situation, but you run left wing you left the battlefield when the fire at, and we need, cause listen, me say this in front of Gangster Kid and beside him or whatever.
Yes, beside.
Cause me don't know why me say
just stay beside.
Yeah.
So without anybody, a mix for Gangster Kid. Gangster Kid has the persona for entertain any
He's
crowd
versatile.
anywhere at all. He was needed in the lockdown. Where were you? Yeah?
In Jamaica.
All I know.
Oh, you have to go to Jamaica and we left with over here. You have to do Jamaica and up on the live too.
All I know. That true, I say. So when I come on that, no disrespecting a DJ, but I don't want a man to tell me say how much more I'm is, because throughout lockdown, I no soon in a dog.
Exactly.
The whole of the South selected them go on them thing in the East and, the selected them are not. I no see none now, no.
Yeah, because the sword selector then active.
And not to live, so tap it nice. So what me forward for?
Wait,
He's out.
give us sound effect, please.
What? No,
He's
listen. Remember now.
One of them, how go on?
Remember defending that then, no? Because you're going like you want to step
Entrance
off.
boss up on the live. Big up
Listen,
yourself,
over
Daddy.
that.
Entrance, big up yourself.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Eh.
But when I correct the situation, when
Yeah,
that
go on.
don't start, I know I remember say over North first start the fire. No?
Whisper over
So
ya.
they cool up now.
Where over your
Man,
start?
what you doing now?
Where fire start?
What you mean?
I want to also know about down. Cause no burn up. What happened?
And North start most of the party.
Tell me, no, where go
Are
on?
we talking about parties or
Where-
live?
Me I say
during
live in a
quarantine?
lockdown.
Lockdown. You're going.
Lockdown.
Not talking about
What happened?
parties. we're
Remember
talking
say me
about
clash in a lockdown and North
No,
that started.
one time.
No.
But that's where it started.
Yeah, but what
Brother,
happened after that?
brother.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
What
It started. I never said it. That it carried on.
People was doing
What
live
happened
before.
after that,
The
bro?
people was doing live before. I'm saying they not DJ them.
Yeah.
Whereas you play two songs, man, in your ears, much more brother.
Yeah.
Feel me time,
South well active dainty.
That's
well
why
active.
I say
Active.
the man them
Live
when
wire.
play for the people them.
Yeah.
Sure, lockdown people when you see them a party, when you buy one Magnum buckle and fling your time, nobody bust him face.
No, make it empty.
Fling
No.
it past, make it go.
Yeah.
No, it's silly. Drink it.
You have to give credit where credit is, because even me, who's not a South party goer, end up a South couple times.
Yeah, because we have to drag it forward down here.
And I'm like the energy, and I realize South is so much closer to the Jamaican authentic scene at party.
Talk a little loud. Sir, we can't hear you. Talk
No,
louder,
it's true.
man. Yeah, but
Because
we can't hear you. You have
not-
to talk louder.
Not as a, to me, not is more mixed.
No,
And-
no, hold on there. Remember to say it as it is. When we realize that when you come on to North side, is Gangster Kid who set the standard.
Yeah.
And because he's not here,
Everybody, the ball
it's
drop.
an open ball field and they come like say, yo, the ball
They
puncher.
don't know what to do.
It come like, like when me a little boy and we kick
Yeah.
the ball and I pass the man yard and we say, we not get it back. Cause that go on.
I don't
Take
like
away ball.
because there's bad sound up here, Infinity up here, but
Of
I
course.
think Infinity is not the type of sound where who goes out there and kind of, they're not as jovial as a Gangster Kid towards his listeners and followers. He's more of a people person. Killer is a good genuine youth, but it's just his persona is
So
not this.
want to wear that friend and want to global juggle them.
Yeah, but hold on. In relation to Infinity
But
UK,
global
hold
juggle
on.
them
Hold on
because
before.
me not see them active.
Yeah, but
me I call them name
but
because I'm a friend them and
Yeah.
them take them eye off of the ball.
Right, but we have to give a shout out to Infinity because they had their every last Thursday show.
Yeah, they are
so they
active.
weren't frequent.
Yeah.
But they had their every last Thursday show.
Only person over here
Active
was
and
trying, I think, is juvenile.
He wasn't trying. He was doing
Juvenile-
it.
No,
Juvenile.
A juvenile, no,
Him
him one can't push nothing.
Yeah,
Nah, move it
but
up.
I'm saying he wasn't trying his thing. He was doing
Doing
his
it,
thing.
Yeah, but everybody else is being dormant.
And that was
Evidently.
before lockdown, anyways, because Madness wasn't that before
But
lockdown?
Man is before, but he
Before
continued.
he was
further.
con- he's been
before and
consistent.
juvenile though other life other
Yeah,
days.
and
he was
he
always
has
doing
been
it. In a
consistent.
morning him come raise now whole life vibe. Juvenile are doing thing long
Yeah.
I
time.
think we're lazy
Consistent.
over here when they come on to
What?
the north side. They're very lazy.
Yeah.
And I hold it for them
And
because
night work
global.
gonna do over here and not.
Who?
Day night work gonna do.
On the tired of
You
morning.
sleep at daytime.
No, but that's what I'm saying. You see, the north, because you have to, because the north is split into two different sectors. Because if you can't count Nitro on food side, and Nitro's been active throughout the whole.
What side Nitro live or not?
No, yeah, he lives in north.
But
Exactly, not west.
but Nitro
But
they
it
on the live.
classify-
Either.
Oh, apart.
Even if that make him beat Nitro to cause him never active in a live, him active posting.
Girl
No, but
Farm
he's-
PR
he's
says Face has been active. Is Face
Face
from north?
Face are east.
Face is east.
Face is east.
We stand corrected, Girl
Yeah.
Farm.
Face are east.
Face is east.
So only west and not lazy. Coming us enough for the west with them.
Southside.
No,
West-
Johnny is active.
Johnny them and when Nate them forward fam.
Johnny is active. Yeah, Nate,
Yeah, them
I think
Yeah,
west as well.
and West and what is sound name there?
Which
The
one?
sound that we recreate man.
Which
Not
one?
Mix Master, they that one there.
Who?
Yeah,
With the white brother there, what them name?
Invasion Crew.
Invasion Crew, yeah.
Invasion
Them go out
Crew.
with them little thing too.
Yeah.
So
But that's what I'm saying. But that is
Uncle person
but that is the different
who's been
scene.
dormant. No.
Dormant.
Dormant.
Mant.
No man nah go on a ment.
So yeah, pluralize it then.
Ment.
Door
Ment.
woman.
Yeah.
Particular.
Don't ramp with the thing.
Who you say on the person? Why you still that beat half a girl?
I think Girl
One
Farm
more
is
time,
coming with some facts. You work with wait something name Compass.
Yeah.
Girl Farm say Nitro is definitely
he's
is
not
it
west.
Not
north.
west.
He's northwest.
Yeah.
Bugsy Sounds is active for real. DJ Alton, big up yourself. Thank you for joining us
Yeah.
tonight.
DJ Alton, you start late.
Yeah.
No, DJ Alton busy man.
Yeah.
He's busy with the
But-
9 to 5.
DJ Alton.
But he is relevant
Yeah, no,
on the line.
DJ Alton, you start late and feel show them too early. Me asleep. Me watch some live last night where the wicked. Me couldn't.
Could he wake up? I threw him
I-
him early. Him
Him
live
early.
him
It's not
early.
early, my man.
I true.
True. But
True thing.
food for the thought,
Food-
not side,
Yeah.
needs to be more active and needs to be more. Give us something rather than just wait for
Consistency
100.
or something new. Yeah, we would like to see some other things.
We
You
are
know,
go-
me not change the argument do about
We are go-
people. Here one now. Remember, we brother and sister them in a little crisis same way, right?
St. Vincent is
Saint
still
Vincent
happening.
still not like a
I think
crisis.
it erupted again.
Volcano still at
Yeah.
Europe, you know. Peer things are going over there. Should have drop or stop and drop down.
Everything.
Yeah.
You know, if any house and the mashes they fall upon your house stop. Remember, you come like cement, you know. Because
Yeah.
for those who didn't know, a lot of cement company use volcano ashes to as
build
part of
them
the
things.
ingredients to make cement. So
Yeah.
it's heavy. So you see when that wet with a little rain, all the decos drop down.
Of course.
Yeah. So there's still several platforms and people that you can get in touch with to either give money or to give items. Perishable
Yeah.
items are what is very, very important at this point. Money is important as well, but right now they need perishable items, especially
Like a bean,
For
some mackerel, anything. you
baby
have.
products, especially
Baby
for
product,
persons
any
who
little thing.
who are having children.
Water is very important.
very
as well.
important. So get in
Water.
touch with the necessary platforms or necessary people
Yeah,
to
link
support.
DJ Tate.
DJ Tate, Supernatural,
Supernatural
World
in
Mag
one
is
of them.
involved in it
Yeah.
as well. If you can't get through to anybody, guys, you can link us, drop a message in our DMs. Lily Dainty, shout me now, please. We had a conversation last week. We have the avenues are there for us to support our brothers and sisters in St. Vincent. So please do what you can
Of course.
to support.
And remember, people as well. You say the summer is fastly approached.
Yes.
Don't left out the same energy we was carrying for the past couple of months.
Keep it.
Keep the same
Unity
energy.
is there's
Go out
unity
and
in
support your black
strength.
brothers and sisters.
Definitely.
If you can't support everybody, you know, but you can support who you can support.
Yes.
Of
Go out
course.
and support a part, support the artists and promoters. Just like how you book the selector them, book the artists them too, because
Yes.
them is some of the people who keep you entertained.
Yes.
And also the vloggers and the hosts and everybody who make the lockdown enjoyable and bearable. Because a whole heap of would have turn mad people, you know.
True.
They all me go to cut off and relax, you know. And I go on with beer things, you know.
Of course.
And start eat chicken and them thing there.
Anyways,
did stop. Anyway.
we want to give a shout out to everybody that tuned in tonight and
Yeah.
enjoyed the show. Thank you for the support. We appreciate it. Thank you for your comments and the interaction and all these things. Remember, we are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11.
Yep.
We're sponsored by Shush Prints, and we have to give a big shout out to the TGM Radio UK family who have been a great support to us. Please, 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 guys, remember to follow us on all our social media platforms, especially our YouTube channel. Go over to YouTube, search for UPNLIVE show, like, subscribe,
Yeah.
hit the notification bell. The interviews there, all interviews that we do here in the studio or wherever we are, they are on our YouTube channel. So if you miss them, don't worry, we've got you covered. Go over there and watch them. Like them. Mr. Like already, don't.
Yeah.
comment
And
and
share.
share it.
Simple as that.
Right.
Alright, yeah, we're not Rasta. Like we are waving and like I have speak sign language, you know. Take time, man. The mic sensitive, man. I know my show.
God.
I gesticulate a lot.
You remember the woman was saying she's a sign language.
And she
So
never
Rasta
know.
go on, you know. Take your time, man.
Can't
Look,
touch this.
So when you talk, look, Rasta, look, let me train you. Cause you like,
No,
you know,
I was
home-
trained to
home
speak with
training.
my hands.
What? Are
No.
you deaf?
No, but that is an art of. It's
Are
a
you
part of
deaf?
speaking.
May I ask if you're deaf?
Sir, if you're listening
If
to
you're
what
deaf.
I'm saying,
If you're deaf.
Anyway,
Can you speak sign
this
language?
conversation is going
let's
to be
just
non-ending.
pretend that
Right.
this is not exhibit. Thank you to the people them on
Yeah.
Instagram right now. Because some people on Instagram farm.
Girl Farm,
Big up yourself.
Blanco, Nay, from Star Point. Sorry, love. Forgive me. I didn't remember how to pronounce the name. But big up yourself. Thank you for joining us tonight. We said Girl Farm already.
Of course.
Lily Dainty.
Of course. Big up yourself.
Danny Bless Entrance was here as well. Shanti Force was here earlier today. Styler British as well. Whole heap of people were on the live, but we want to give Royalty Empress, who is always here. Shout out to you, Sweetie Pie. Thank you for joining us tonight. Who else? Who else?
Want to
is
say
here?
something before we cut,
Go
yeah?
ahead.
Danny Bless, me see up on the live. You type in, me need an interview. I actually want to talk to you because me see you do something I really want to mention. I want to ask about it. So
Well, we will speak.
yeah.
We will speak.
But
And
of course. Continue.
we will speak. Forever Sasha says she's now accepting bookings. Yeah, so jump in at the DMs and doing a thing. You understand? Shout out to Miss Bandy who spoke to us earlier tonight. Again, thank you for talking to us. And we're looking forward to what you have to offer. Dragon, 1 minute.
See?
So talk fast.
Once you love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do. I want us to read a book in them to brain pause and main pour, right? Until next week, peace.
And
Leave it with
Ochi
this
Queen
one.
will be here with us next week on live, so tune into that one next week.
Of course. See him, sir.
Fresh no fuck chain and drip my just beard. My brown in mouth me use for my ashtray.
Dirty
My
boy.
size up, I dress my by my last name. Tats them up and everything Caribbean. Pants the trip, my marina onions. I no fucking on my brain young grades. Feel for cut bout my swim mask here. Drink and jump, charge up, got you. Josh drop, my girl me got you. I will have a ship up, I split fly back you. Bad Sam, booty up, come shot you. Maybe me dash your money like say mad up. Normally I know ya some down out. Chilling girl feed the night Italiano. Bad man party know where you are. Me vosa she a kick me be man no chillapi. Me fuck she and she the leg boy yet me still happy. Gun pa my belly ready and the figure it. It's like them forgot who the fucking killer be. Me nice like a Friday today name. Hennessy and cheap like a crave name. The chopper money no delay. Me chopper thing in a day. Grab them little more you a gonna hear. Drink and jump, charge up.